So you're studying to get your general contractor license, and you're using the best studying app for general contractor exam prep called the Study Buddy Pro, and you found the classroom feature. And you're like, what is this? Well, today I'm going to explain in this video how to utilize the classroom feature, which is only in the paid plan. It's not in our demo plan, but how to use the classroom feature to take it to the next level. Now, there's a few things that I want you to know is this classroom feature is linked to two other features. If you look, these are the classroom. That means it's pre-recorded classes. All right. If you want to learn Construction Math 101, it's right here. But it's linked to, if you look, the Construction Math Mastery Challenge, 7 days to solve like a pro. So you'll watch this video first, and then you'll click here, and it'll take you, right? Go to the challenge, right? And now you're in the challenge. What is the challenge? We'll talk about that as well. This is where you get to practice what you learned under pressure. So it'll be roughly 3 to 4 minutes per question, whatever it says that we have on here. And then you compete against other students. And in this one, we're actually giving out a prize. So challenges are linked to lessons. And some of those challenges, there's not prizes, but again, it gets you under the pressure to practice. Okay? So going back to the classroom feature, you also will have events that are connected to it. Okay? So if you look, there's an event. Now, this event has passed, of course. That was from the other day. But if there's a live event that's coming up, it's going to tell you there's an event. So again, this one here, there's a lesson. Number one reasons you can't find the answers, right? But it's linked to a challenge. That challenge is yet to be up just now, but it's coming right now as we speak. Okay? So, linked to event. It's linked to a class next week. This is the classroom feature. So again, if you're looking to, you're like, man, I want to break up the monotony. I want to do something different because you're probably doing your lessons, but you want to get a little bit more in depth on subject matter. That's just one part. Here's pre-recorded classes. Then there's pipe and excavation math. Then there's business and law, right? Math, just the math, all the math you will touch in business and law. So if you're taking your business and law exam, this is a game changer, right? So right here, we got construction IQ, build a house. That I want to show you. That I do want to show you that construction IQ is a game changer when it comes down to getting your understanding each chapter in the IRC and soon to be the IBC as well. The next part, blueprint reading mastery. These are all courses. I'll go into some, and I think I showed this one before, but let me show it again, is how to build a house. We get in, we got diagrams here where it's asking us, it's the identify section, IRC code, how does it apply, exam questions, and then violations. You get to find all that in this diagram. And what I love about it is it actually touches different foundations. So there's monolithic, there's CMUs, and boom, it goes on. The next lesson is actually floor framing, because floor systems is in chapter 5. And then chapter 6, we get into wall framing. If you don't know about wall framing and all those things, this is why the classroom feature is a game changer, because it asks you tap the double top plate. I've had students who graduated who did not know what a stud was, so they damn sure didn't know what a double top plate was. So this is the game changer to the classroom. All right. So if you're looking to get started, right, classroom feature, here's all the things that you can do. All right. And that's only $49. Don't look at that price right there. It's $49.99, and I give you access to these extra features only for a limited time. The first 500 is the only people I'm doing this for. After that, price goes up and you'll pay for every single part of this. Okay? But if you're wondering, like, what's the value in Study Buddy Pro classroom feature? Right? That's it. And when we get into the construction, business and law math, look at how dope this is. Payroll math, bidding and estimating, project finance, finance ratios, schedule math, all that. When you get in It's going to, okay, float days calculation. It helps you learn it. And then you can practice it with 5 questions. Going back, let's go back one more time. You want to do payroll math. There's overtime holiday, there's net pay calculations, there's worker comp premiums. Tell me that's not a game changer, right? And you're only working on the math, so it's going to teach you how to do it, right? And then you're going to practice. If that's interesting you, I want you guys to sign up today. $49.99 if you haven't already. But for the students that are already in here, start utilizing this. If you haven't passed your business and law, get in here and start utilizing it today. Like I say, pipe and excavation just came up today. And the other features, construction IQ is live, and then blueprint reading. Now, blueprint reading is a whole nother game. You get to learn all the different components. All right. You get to look at actual blueprints, right? Thanks to Tynesha Brown, that's in the community, getting her general contractor license and passed her, not passed. Let me take that back. Sorry, Ty. You didn't pass yet, but built a house already and working on the next one, her and her husband. So, what is the classroom feature? It's where you're going to get in, right? And you're going to learn how to do these things like a pro. And yes, that's part of the $49.99 plan. So what are you waiting on? If you're looking to get started today and you're like, that's all I needed to see, go ahead and go to studybuddypro.app, right? Upgrade or check out, whichever one you want to go to. Sign up for the $49.99 plan and your life will change, because we're going to open it up. We're going to give you live classes. And this classroom feature is also going to give you pre-recorded classes. So subscribe, like. What do you think about that feature? Is it a game changer? Yay or nay? All right? Do what you do best. And Nelly.